G'day guys, welcome back to my little fish room, Lan's channel. Just gonna show you a little bit about Japanese matin filter I've got here. You can see here, Lan, because I've got 400 litres an hour pumping through here. You can see this side here is still a little bit higher than like internal sump side or whatever, how I've got it set up. 2 weeks ago it was even worse, so I took this, I use these Japanese filters, like Japanese matin filter, so I took this one out and cleaned it. Today I'm going to take this one out and clean it. It's 2 weeks later, so I wouldn't recommend cleaning it with a hose if you've only got one. I'd clean it in aquarium water, but because I've got two, I've staggered them, so I'm going to have enough biological bacteria in here to do it. So I'm just going to slide this one forward a little bit. Everything's going to get really dirty. Got myself a container to put it in. Just slide this one forward, and then I will put this one at the back when I take the other one out, if I can get the other one out. You can see how clogged up. It's got roots from the plant growing on it. So I'll just try and get it out. And you can see how dirty it is. Look how dirty that tank's going to be. Lots of roots growing in it. I'll just put it there. Now I will slide this one back in position, and then when I clean this one I will put it in front of it. So I wouldn't recommend using a hose or whatever if you're doing the one at a time. You'd want to use aquarium water. Look how dirty that is, but there you go. Alright, so I'll just go and show you how much stuff comes out of it when I clean it.
Just like that. Look, the water is so dark.
Yes, look, there you go, it's full. You probably have to do it 3 or 4 times.
Why not just straight away in that thing there? Save some time.
Because it's the way I do it.
You can just straight away there.
You can't see the dirt then, can you?
But they already see the other one. You're gonna show them how clear you're gonna stop?
No. You want me to say anything?
What you wanna say?
Just keep going through like this, getting as much out as you can, and then put it back in.
So that's it. So you just hose over there.
Sorry?
You're just gonna hose over there.
Yeah.
So you don't need to do the other one container again for the second time.
That's alright.
It's very heavy. Oh God. That's great. He likes to do what
My own way.
your own way, his own way. He's not just gonna straight away go clean up there.
Well, it doesn't matter. This way I can tell how much is coming out.
Okay.
I think one more time should be right.
Mm.
Because this was the second one, the back one. So I think the front one took most of it. That's pretty good. As I said before, if you've only got one, you wouldn't do it this way. But I've got double, so I do them 2 weeks apart. You still see there's quite a bit in there. There you go.
How about you wash it, squish it?
You can't squish it
Why?
because it's a firm one. That's why I use this one. If you use a sponge one, it won't go across a 2-foot span. This one's usually used for koi fish, larger fish. It gives heaps of
The
surface
grass
area.
is so long.
There you go.
That's it?
Yeah.
Finish.
There you go. Nice and quick and simple. Put this one back in front of the other one, and hopefully my levels will balance up and be right for another 6 months.
Okay.
Thank you very much for watching, supporting Len's Chan, and I'll see you next time.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.